Today we'll talk about how can you export the period on your My Jewelry app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on export and import here. Just click on it. Then it's going to take you to Mixip here. It's going to show for you like this. And just click here on export jewelry period. Just click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then here can you select it in this list here. Just select here export jewelry period. So for all first or last 7 day or last month days or customers here, you click on select, then it's going to export with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.